But I used to work with Global Publishing many years ago, and I kind of owe everything in why I'm here today and doing what I'm doing to Ron Legrand. So you guys are in the right room. This guy's a genius. The team's amazing, and I've learned so much from these guys. So I appreciate you guys having me here. Today I'm going to talk about AI, and I'd like to say I'm an expert, but this stuff is so new. So to you, maybe I will come across as a massive expert, because maybe you're just kind of digging into things. But anybody that claims they are, like, everything's moving so fast and so quickly. But I'm sure you've heard about AI. I'm sure you know it's important. I don't know how many people have actually tried ChatGPT, for example? A good amount of you? Okay. So I'm going to go into several things. ChatGPT. So it's a ChatGPT, and the company that created it is OpenAI. That's what you're going to see all over, like Facebook and online, is buy these prompts, use ChatGPT this and ChatGPT that. I'm going to get into a whole lot more than ChatGPT today. We will talk about that. But if you're very new to AI, I'm just going to open your eyes to it. It might seem very overwhelming. Some of you that are already kind of using it might be really excited about some of the new stuff that I'm going to talk about today. But just feel at ease, because I'm going to show you how to make everything extremely easy by the end of the presentation. So even for me, it's overwhelming, and I'm obsessing over this stuff every day. Due to, I can't connect up there, so I'm going to have to stay over here. And I'm going to...
Your bottle's in the way.
My bottle's, okay, sorry, thank you. All right. So I'm going to show you, again, I didn't know exactly what to cover today, so I'm going to go over a lot of different things. So we're going to, and some of these might be more for you and some of them may not, but I'm sure there's going to be something in here that's going to be really helpful for everybody in the room today. The first tool I'm going to talk about is Venturus AI. And this is Venturus, Venturus AI.com. And this is if you have like a business idea. Let's say you're creating a bolt-on business for your real estate company. Maybe you're going to do something else. Maybe you're going to open your real estate company up into a different area, and you want to know a little bit more about what you should expect. This helps you break down a business idea and tell you if it's a good idea, a bad idea, what to look out for, what are the perks, any political issues. It'll break down a lot of different analysis, and it's free to use. You can do an advanced version that gives you more info. But let's say I'm opening a wholesaling business in Jacksonville, Florida. All right, so this report is loading right now. I don't know how long it's going to take, so I'm just going to go into one that I did that's exactly the same while it's doing this. It usually takes like 30 seconds. So let's click on real estate wholesaling company in Jacksonville. So I'm going to get a whole report here. Business idea description. I get an industry insight. Real estate wholesaling is a niche within the broader real estate industry. The Jacksonville, Florida market offers significant potential due to its growing population, favorable business environment, and attractive investment opportunities. The demand for real estate remains steady, and investors are constantly seeking opportunities to acquire properties at a discount price. However, the industry is highly competitive, requiring a deep understanding of the market dynamics, which is why you guys are in here, right? You get a SWOT analysis, so it breaks down the strengths of this business, the weaknesses, the opportunities. So opportunities, expanding the client base by targeting new segments like international investors, which I'm going to show you guys how to target international investors, even if you don't know any other languages except for English. Collaborating with local real estate agents and brokers to access a wider range of opportunities. It tells you the threats, so increased competition, economic downturns, regulatory changes impacting the real estate industry. It gives you a pestle analysis, the political, economic, social, cultural, and the technological. That didn't come out right. Environmental, legal, target audience, the user story, suitable business strategies. This is a very, very in-depth thing for you to get an idea of what you're stepping into with any business that you open, not just real estate. But again, this will be local. So if you want to go into different areas, it's really going to break down all of those steps for you and everything that you should have on top of mind. It also has additional revenue streams. So this one says property management services for investors who prefer to hold properties for rental income, real estate consulting services for individuals seeking expert advice, trends and investment strategies. It gives you marketing strategy and brand awareness, branding suggestions with slogans and tweet examples. So again, there's a lot of information you get here, and it doesn't cost you anything. Again, this is VenturusAI.com. Game-changing ideas and more insights analysis, Porter's 5 forces analysis, the CATWO analysis. Some of you probably heard of some of these. They're some of the more popular things for businesses, but this breaks it all down for free for you. So there is an advanced analysis as well you can do. I think it's like $10. The good news, anything I'm talking about today is extremely cheap. The good thing with AI is one thing Ron taught me a long time ago, and I'm sure you guys are all familiar with, is the less you do, the more you make. That used to be me. In fact, Ron used to say I was one of the laziest guys he knew. And that all changed over the years. I actually got very busy, got away from that, and I wanted to figure out how to get back to it. AI has given me that ability. So technology is kind of crazy. It's hard to keep up with. It's hard to understand a lot of it. But one of the great things with AI is if you know what to use, all this stuff is very easy. So like in this case, I clicked a button after I typed in what the business idea is. And that's how most of the stuff works that I'm going to show you today.